A filmmaker who robbed a bank to fund his movie has been sentenced to 10 years in prison, according to reports. Naco Ray Brown of Baltimore was given the sentence after taking nearly $4,300 from the McCoy Federal Credit Union in Belle Isle, Florida last June. Brown, 55, pleaded guilty in January to the robbery charge. Although he cited his desire to complete filming his movie, prosecutors alleged that Brown had previously been convicted of 3 other bank robberies, making his claim dubious. The defendant's previous convictions, however, could not be used against him at his trial due to Florida's rules on prior convictions. He also received credit for time served during the trial. Brown reportedly told authorities after his arrest that he was an independent filmmaker who needed money to finish his film, which he called Now or Never. However, it is unclear whether such a project actually existed or if it was just a ploy to get away with the robbery. According to The Insider, a news outlet covering crime and justice, Brown handed one of the bank tellers a note stating that he had a weapon and demanding cash. He then fled the scene, but police later arrested him based on eyewitness accounts and surveillance footage. During sentencing, U.S. District Judge Carlos E. Mendoza pointed out that the defendant had failed to learn from his past mistakes, saying that he keeps going back to what he knows, and that's robbing banks. Brown's criminal history includes 2 convictions for bank robbery in Maryland in the 1990s and another in Delaware in 2006. He had been released early from prison following his 3rd conviction, raising questions about the effectiveness of the justice system's handling of repeat offenders. The case highlights the desperate measures some filmmakers take to get their projects off the ground. While many turn to crowdfunding websites like Kickstarter or Indiegogo, others resort to more extreme methods like robbing banks. However, such actions can have severe consequences not only for the filmmakers themselves but also for their victims. In this case, Brown's robbery caused distress and trauma to the bank tellers who were threatened and forced to hand over cash against their will. In conclusion, the sentencing of Naco Ray Brown serves as a reminder that crime does not pay, and that filmmakers should seek legal and ethical means of financing their projects. The justice system must also do more to address the root causes of repeat offending and provide effective rehabilitation measures to prevent individuals from committing crimes in the future.